Imagine you're lost in a new city without a map or GPS. Frustrating, right? That's what it's like creating content without keyword research. Keyword research is your roadmap to online visibility. It's about understanding what your audience is actively searching for on Google and other search engines. By targeting the right keywords, you ensure your content reaches the people who are actively looking for information, products, or services like yours. No more shouting into the void. Keyword research helps you focus your content creation efforts on topics that matter to your target audience. This targeted approach not only drives more traffic to your website but also attracts the right kind of traffic, people who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Remember, it's not just about getting more clicks, it's about getting clicks that convert into leads, sales, and loyal customers. Keywords are more than just words, they are insights into your audience's needs, desires, and pain points. By analyzing the keywords people use, you can gain a deeper understanding of their search intent. Are they looking for information, comparing products, or ready to make a purchase? For example, someone searching for best running shoes for marathon training has a different intent than someone searching for buy Nike running shoes online. Understanding these nuances allows you to tailor your content to address specific needs at each stage of the buyer's journey. By aligning your content with user intent, you provide valuable answers to their questions and guide them towards a solution. This not only improves the user experience but also positions your brand as a trusted source of information in your industry. In the vast digital landscape, establishing your brand as an authority in your niche is crucial. Consistent, high-quality content that ranks well for relevant keywords is the key to building that authority. When your content consistently appears on the first page of search results for relevant keywords, it builds trust and credibility with your audience. Think of it this way: when you're looking for information online, are you more likely to trust a website that pops up on the first page of Google or one buried on page 10? The answer is obvious. By consistently delivering valuable content that aligns with what your audience is searching for, you position yourself as a thought leader in your industry. Over time, this authority translates into increased brand awareness, higher website traffic, and ultimately, more leads and sales. People are more likely to do business with brands they perceive as knowledgeable and trustworthy. Section 4. Conquering multiple channels. 1 keyword strategy to rule them all. Keyword research isn't just for your website content, it's the foundation of a holistic digital marketing strategy. The insights you gain from keyword research can be applied across multiple channels including social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. For example, understanding which keywords resonate with your audience on social media can help you create more engaging posts and attract more followers. Similarly, using relevant keywords in your email subject lines can improve open rates and drive more traffic back to your website. By aligning your keyword strategy across all channels, you create a cohesive brand experience that resonates with your audience wherever they encounter your brand online. This multi-channel approach amplifies your reach and maximizes your return on investment. Section 5. Your keyword action plan, practical steps, and AI-powered tools. Now that you understand the why, let's dive into the how. Effective keyword research involves a combination of strategic thinking and the right tools. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, start with your website and business goals. What are you trying to achieve? More traffic, leads, or sales? Next, brainstorm relevant topics. Think about your products, services, and industry. What are people searching for related to those areas? Then, use keyword research tools. Tools like Google, Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Ahrefs can help you discover new keyword ideas and analyze their search volume and competition. Leverage AI-powered tools like Answer the Public and Market Muse to provide valuable insights into user intent and identify long-tail keywords. Finally, analyze your competitors. What keywords are your competitors ranking for? Can you identify any gaps or opportunities? Remember, keyword research is an ongoing process. As your business evolves and the digital landscape changes, so should your keyword strategy. Regularly revisit your keywords, track your rankings, and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Section 6. Keyword research, your key to content marketing success. In today's digital age where attention is the most valuable currency, Keyword research is no longer optional, it's essential. By understanding what your audience is searching for, you can create content that resonates, ranks well, and ultimately drives results. Embrace the power of keyword research and watch your content marketing efforts soar to new heights. Remember, the key to unlocking online success lies in understanding your audience and speaking their language. So, start researching, start creating, and watch your online presence flourish. If you need further assistance, contact us today. Click the link below to get started.